Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with PropStream for motivated seller targeting. Complete guide step by step. To connect with PropStream for motivated seller targeting, start by visiting the PropStream website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and payment information if needed. Once registered, log into your account to access the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, noting the search bar and available filters. To target motivated sellers, navigate to the Search tab. Select the location where you want to find motivated sellers. Use the filtering options to refine your search based on criteria such as property type, ownership status, and equity. Consider using the Vacant Properties filter to identify potential motivated sellers. You can also explore the Pre-Foreclosure and Liens filters for additional targeting. After setting your filters, click the Search button to generate your list of motivated sellers. Review the generated list and click on individual properties for more details. Take notes on properties that seem promising for outreach. Utilize PropStream's built-in tools to access owner contact information. Decide how you want to reach out to these motivated sellers. Whether through direct mail, phone calls, or email, ensure your approach is professional and respectful. Create a compelling message that explains your interest in their property. Track your outreach efforts in a spreadsheet or CRM for follow-up purposes. Continue to analyze the data within PropStream to refine your targeting strategies. As you gain experience, adjust your filter criteria to improve your results over time. Engage with property owners who show interest and maintain open lines of communication. With consistent effort and strategic targeting, you can effectively connect with motivated sellers using PropStream. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.